हेलो गाइस। आज का वीडियो उन कैनेडियन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए है जो कि अपनी पढ़ाई कंप्लीट करने के बाद पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट वर्क परमिट अप्लाई करने जा रहे हैं या इन फ्यूचर करने वाले हैं। तो एक रीसेंट अपडेट आया है रिगार्डिंग पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट वर्क परमिट। तो आइए देखते हैं कि वो रीसेंट अपडेट क्या है। लेट्स स्टार्ट। Canada ends port of entry applications for postgraduate work permit. Effective immediately, foreign nationals are no longer allowed to apply for a postgraduate work permit at any port of entry, including airports, land, or marine borders upon arrival in Canada. This new rule aims to address flagpoling, a practice where temporary residents attempt to bypass application wait times by leaving Canada and immediately re-entering to apply for a work or study permit in person. Flagpoling consumes valuable border resources, causing delay for legitimate travelers and hindering the movement of goods. As of 21st June 2024, the Canada Border Service Agency, also known as CBSA, will no longer process postgraduate work permit applications at port of entry. Foreign nationals seeking a postgraduate work permit must now apply either from within Canada or from abroad, provided they meet the eligibility criteria. This change is part of a broader strategy by the Canadian government to improve efficiency and allocate border resources more effectively. Now let's understand postgraduate work permit. The postgraduate work permit allows international students who have graduated from eligible Canadian institutions to work in Canada. The postgraduate work permit provides an opportunity for graduates to gain valuable Canadian work experience, which can be a stepping stone to permanent residency. Permits are typically issued for the length of the study program, up to a maximum of 3 years. How to apply for a postgraduate work permit? There are two options to applying for postgraduate work permit under the new regulations. From within Canada, you can apply electronically if your study permit is still valid or if you meet specific requirements at the time of application. Certain applicants may be authorized to work while their postgraduate work permit application is processed. Students have 180 days from the completion of their studies to apply for postgraduate work permit. From outside Canada, if you no longer qualify to apply from within Canada, you can submit an application electronically for processing abroad. You may remain in Canada as a visitor while your application is processed, but you cannot work during this time. Regardless of where to apply, it's vital to maintain your temporary resident status throughout the process. This may involve extending your study permit or obtaining visitor status if your study permit expires before submitting your postgraduate work permit application. तो ये कुछ रिसेंट अपडेट है कि अब आप फ्लैग पोलिंग नहीं कर सकते हैं और अपना पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट वर्क परमिट पोर्ट ऑफ एंट्री पे भी अप्लाई नहीं कर सकते हैं। दिस इज इफेक्टिव इमीडिएटली। इसके बारे में कुछ और भी इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए, यू कैन कमेंट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।